Hello. So, how are you all? My name is Yogesh, and we are doing the standard 11th statistics. So far, we have started mode, and in mode, we are doing empirical formula. Okay, the empirical formula we have solved one or two sums. Last, we have solved this sixth sum of 3.5. However, this sum was a graphical method, but we have solved it with an empirical formula. We'll continue the empirical formula in this lecture also. In empirical formula, I told you that when to use this empirical formula when classes are unequal, when maximum frequency is more than one time, and when maximum frequency is in first or last. The main thing in this formula is that by seeing the question, you have to identify that you have to use this formula. It will not be specified that this formula should be used. Okay, got it? Now let us do illustration number 36. For this illustration 36, the following table shows the number of visits to the dentist of the person. The following table shows the number of visits to the dentist of the person having toothache. Find the mode for the number of visits. Number of visit 1, 7 patients. Number of visit 2, 11 patients. Number of visits 3, 18 patients. Number of visit 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 15, 9 4 1 respectively. You have to find the mode for the number of visits. Let us do one thing illustration. Let us write a question. Illustration. Number of visits. Number of visits. 1, 2, 3, 7, 7 to 10. Then let us write the frequency. Number of patients. 7, 11, 18, 9, 4, 1. Now the question is that you have to find mode in this question. See, as I told you that when classes are unequal, you have to use the empirical formula. Okay, you can see here that first there is only except 1, 2, 3. Then the classes starts 2 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 15. Obviously, the class length is unequal. Okay, in starting there are no class, then when class are starting, it is unequal. Now, in this particular sum, what you have to do, you have to do the empirical formula. In empirical formula, how you do? You find median first. We find median first. For median, I need to find the CFI. Then let us find CFI. How to find the CFI? It's 7, then 18, 36, 55, 59, 50. Okay. So your total is 50. Yes, your total is 50. Let us find median. Median is value of n upon 2 observation. Yes, which is value of n upon 2 is 50 upon 8 observation. Is equal to value of 25th observation. So where this 25th observation falls? If you find your 25th observation fall here, 26. As I told you that in opposite of this CFI, whatever the figure is there, this particular figure, this figure is your median. Okay, so no need to calculate this L plus and all things. Your median is 3. Okay, no need to calculate all this stuff. Your median is 3. Yes, then you need to find the mean. So how to find mean? Let's see how to find mean. Mean means sigma fx upon x. You need to write sigma. Actually, I don't have that sigma sign in this whiteboard. I would have done. So for this, you need xi. Frequency is already given. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now 4 to 7. So what is bit value of 4 to 7? It's 4 plus 7 by 2, 5.5. Then 7 and 10. 7 plus 10 upon 2, that is 8. Then it's 10 and 15, it's 22.5. So it's fi xi. Fi into x, 7 on the 7, 11 18 threes are 54. 9 into 5.5, 59.5. Then 4 into 8.5 is 54. 22.5 is 100. Now what is total of this? Let's do the total. 7 plus 22 plus 54 plus 49.5 plus 54. 7 plus 22 plus 54 plus 49.5 plus 34 plus 189. So your mean is 189. 3.70. Mode is now after finding mean and median, I will be finding the. So my mode is 3 median minus 2 mean. This is exponential. Now 3 median is 3 into 3 minus 2x bar. It's 2 into me. 9 minus 3.78 into 2. 7.56. It's 1.44. So our mode is 3m minus 2x bar. It's 9 minus 7.56. That is 1.4. There is some mistake in the calculation. The fx size 189. Let's check the total. 722, 54, 49.5, 34, and okay, xi here is 12.5. So this will be 12.5. It will reduce by 10. We made some mistake here. So this will reduce. Okay, 179. Now 179 upon 50. 179 upon 50. That is 3.58. Now 3.58 into 2. 7.16 minus 9. So mode for the number of visit to the dentist will be 1.80. Don't have any sum, I think so, in exercise 3.5. Just find some sums from the so we are doing a third sum of section F. What this third sum says, let's see. First question: the distribution of sale of cars of company on different days. As find the mode for the number of cars sold using an appropriate number of cars 0 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 24, 26, 28, and number of days 8, 4, 16, 11, 4, 2. So you can see here the class length is unequal, and the main thing I want to tell you in this sum is just read the question again. The distribution of sale of cars is as follows. Find the mode for the number of cars sold using an appropriate form. Okay, find the mode, number of cars sold using an appropriate formula. See, they have not told you that which formula is used to be used, so you have to apply your mind that which formula is used. Here, class length is unequal, so undoubtedly the empirical formula should be used. Okay. Got my point that which formula is to be used? Great. Then let us come here. Let us write the heading. Section F. Sum number 3. Number of cars 0 to 10, 10 to 15, 20 to 4, 24 to 26, 28. Okay. Then number of days 8, 14, 16, 11. So here I'll be using the empirical formula. So let's find the CFI 8, 22, 38, 49, 53 and 55. 8, 22, 38, 49, 53 and 55. Total you can say it's 55 is the total. Now let us find the media. Median is value of n by 2th observation equal to value of 52 by 2th observation is equal to value of 27.5 observation. Now what is 27.5 observation? Okay, if you see your 20.7 observation will fall here and there is a loss. Okay, there is a loss. We can do one thing, we can write all the figures we need. What all we need? We need the lower boundary, then we need CFI, then we need frequency, then we need this n by 2, then we need class length. These all things we need to solve it. Let us solve. Your median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon Fi into C. Now what is L? L is 15 plus n by 2 is 27.5 minus CFI upon 16 into class. m is equal to 15 plus 5.5 into 5 upon n is equal to 15 plus 5.5 into 5. 27.5 upon 16. That is 16.72. Okay, this is your then let us find mean. Mean is fxi upon n. Fi. Find xi now. So 0 to 10 xi is 5, then 10 to 15 is 15, 12.5, 17.5, 26, 28. Okay, now let us find fix. Let us calculate fixi 8 into 5, then it's 14 into 12.5, 16 into 17, then 11 into 24, 4 into 26, 28 into 2. Total is 11919. Okay, let us take total again. 40 plus 175 plus 280 plus 264 plus 104 plus 56. So it's 919. Now total is 55. So your mean should be 919 upon 55. So the answer is 16.71. If you round off, it's 16.71. Let us check the answer. Is it right or not? Yes, obviously mode is yet to be fine. Just we are checking the mean in median. Okay. Mode is obviously undoubtedly. So mean is 16.71 and median is 16.72. Okay, so we are on the right track. Now let us find mode. Okay, this everything is in cars. Number of cars. So mean is also number of cars and mode is also a number of cars. Okay, the 60.72. Name it as cars. Median. Mean. Name it as cars. Okay. Now mode is 3m minus which one? 3 into median 16.72 2 into x bar. What is x bar? It is 16.71. 3.16. What is this 16.74? It is, so we'll write it as mode for number of cars sold is. So what two sums we have done today? Today we have done first illustration number 36. In illustration number 36, you can see the exercise given in classes is given a single sum. It is you can say a continuous frequency. We have taken median as n upon 2. There should be one doubt that medians are, it should not be n plus 1. No. Because classes is there, then it should be done like this n upon 2. Okay. Then we have found median. Mode in median it was a bit important because when you are selecting 20, 25, median is 3. That means you have to directly select 3. There is no on the formula used. Okay. Main was quite simple. And then in exercise sum also, when I selected the class 27.5, it was the class 15 to 20. When I'm selecting class 15 to 20, my length is 5. Length of the class, how to select the length of the class depends upon which class you are selecting. If I select class 10 to 15, then my length would be 5. If I select class 0 to 10, my length would be 10. If I am selecting class 15 to 20, my length is 5. In this sum, we are selecting 15 to 20, so my class length is 5. So we have taken the class length is a 5. Okay. So we have completed this empirical formula. In next lecture, we will be continuing with mode for the graphical method. Okay, we have completed many topics in this chapter. We have started with mean, combined mean, weighted mean. Then we have started with median, quartile, decile, percentile. And then when I started mode, I solved very simple formula. Then we have solved the empirical formula. So almost the last topic of the mode we are going to start in the next lecture, that is graphical method. Okay.